I'm going to talk a little bit about this equation because I think, I'm going to assume that you've covered this topic. It's y equals mx plus c, essentially, where m is the gradient and c is the intercept. So basically here, the gradient is 1. I go along 1, I go up 1, along 1, up 1, and the intercept is this number here, 1. So two possible straight lines that also pass through this point. Well, it doesn't matter. I just need to have 1 as the intercept, basically. So let's go with 2x plus 1 and 3x plus 1. They'll just be slightly different. They'll just have slightly different steepnesses or gradients. And basically, as long as you've got something x plus 1, it could even be minus 2x plus 1, then you've done this correctly. We're then told about an equation x plus y equals 5, which is perpendicular to y equals x plus 1. So you can see that's going to be this line here. And perpendicular means there's a right angle. And write down the equation of a different straight line that's also perpendicular. Well, along this line, x plus y is always equal to 5. Because here, for example, we've got 3 plus 2, x is 3, y is 2, we get 5. Okay, what if I did a different one? What if I maybe chose 4 as what it's adding up to? So that would actually be the line x plus y equals 4, and that would be also perpendicular. So I'm going to go with that one. But basically, actually, let me write that again. Basically, any line x plus y equals something will be perpendicular in the same kind of way. If I want to talk about it a little bit more, I could talk about rearranging the equation. I can write x plus y equals 5 as y equals minus x plus 5. It's the same thing. It's got a gradient of minus 1 and an intercept of 5, this one here. And so that there are properties of lines, like when you know they're perpendicular. I'm not going to go into that here, but try and be familiar with the y equals x and y equals minus x lines and recognize that they are perpendicular.